Welcome to a video from DLSR.com. In this video I'm going to show you this TONOR 12-inch selfie ring kit with stand. It includes a full tripod, a mount for a camera, a mount for a phone, a lighting ring as well, a Bluetooth controller to get your phone, and a bag to put it all in. It costs $49.99 on Amazon. So first part is it's a regular tripod that you can use for a digital camera. It's got full extendable legs, so it's giving me a really large enough kit for so there's plenty of height that I can put on there as well. It's also nice and light as well, which is just what you need for a tripod as well. Full swivel around there. So this bit comes off and this bit screws into your camera. So I've got a DLSR that I use to do these videos, and that is, you would screw that onto there. You've also got an adapter to use it with a phone, which we'll look at that in a sec. So on top of that you can fit a lighting ring. So on top of here I've clipped the lighting ring, and the lighting ring is USB, so I'll plug this in, and then I've got the option to turn it on to different colours as well. So you can see it's quite bright, and I can flick through different sort of colour warmths. My camera is sort of white balancing this out, but actually that's my camera's actually white balancing this out, so you can't see any changes as I click through these, but actually it is producing different levels of white. So it's got a warm white and a cold white on there. So the idea behind this is for video calls, give you some backlight, or anything with your face on to give you some backlight. So let me just turn that off for a second. So there, I fitted my phone in there as well, so I can use this now. I can adjust this to however I want, maybe without the plump, to do a video call, and you can get this to your required height. So something else it's got is a Bluetooth remote as well, so I can trigger the camera with this as well. So I've got the camera on now. I flick on the light and you can see. Now I'll move my other camera around so we can test this a bit better. So I've got my camera set up on there now, and we can see if how much difference that actually makes with the light on now. So if I turn the light on now, you can see it lights me up. Of course, what it does now is it completely darkens my camera. So what I'll do is I'll record some of this on my phone as well, so we can try that with a phone and see how that works. So I can flick through the different colour cycle modes. That gives me a warmer mode, that's a lighter mode, and you can see these different modes on there now. So I think I prefer that one. So I'll have that one on there, and of course, like I said, I can remotely trigger that with this on there as well. So it's on the tripod, which is holding it all in place, and I can make the video calls now, and I'm not looking at the light ring itself. The light ring is obviously in front of me, as you can see from this other from the previous camera shot, so it's not dazzling me. I've just got the light ring on there that's making the picture look good. So like I said, you can pack it all the way in the bag, and I can make my YouTube videos now. I can do some Teams calls, Skype calls, Zoom calls, you can create TikTok videos, whatever you want to do. You've got a bit of light, you've got a nice steady stand, and you've got a remote control for it. So that's it, that's the TONOR kit. So that's available on the DLSR.com. You'll see the full review, and I'm going to give this a test and see how it does. But so far, pleased with how well this works.